Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today we're going to be doing a Transformation Tuesday. I am going to be altering my Memorydex card spinners. As you can see, mine is black and in white. And what I want to do is I want to spray paint them to more of the colors that I would prefer, which are these right here. Let me move my spinner over. So I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum American Accents 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. And this one is fast drying and it's indoor and outdoor in the color Ocean Mist. And I have a few things like this in my room that I've spray painted with. So I kind of like this color. And then I did the light pink. Well, it's called Candy Pink. And it's also the same brand. So I'm going to be spray painting one in pink and one in mint green. And this is the cans. I'll have them listed down below, so if you guys want to check out the cans themselves. I got them off Amazon for like three and change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward really quick, taking out all my cards, and then we're going to go outside and spray paint these babies. So I'll be right back. So that was the first spinner, you guys, the white one. And look at all these cards. Oh my gosh. There are so many. Oh, I haven't even done this one yet. So time to take off all the cards off this one. Hey guys, so now we have an even bigger pile. This is both my spinners all on top of the table. They are both fully empty. Now I'm going to wipe them down and take them outside and spray paint them. So let's go do that. Hey guys, and before you spray paint your spinners, make sure you cover your glass handles or plastic handles, because you don't want those to be spray painted. Those will look cute, nice and clear the way they are. So I've done that to all 4 of my handles, and now I'm going to go spray paint the spinners. So I'm going to be using one of these wee wee pads from my dog to just place the Memorydex, and now I'm going to spray it. Here we have 1 coat of paint. I'm just waiting for that to dry a little bit. I do have a little bit of drip on the top, but I'm not too worried about that. My cards will be covering that, and that's how it's looking so far. Now we are going to work on the blue one, and let's start to spray. Here's what we have the pink one looking like right now. Just waiting a little bit more for it to dry. And here's the mint green one. Looking good so far, you guys. Hey guys, so here is the finished product. And here you see the mint. And it turned out so cute. I absolutely love the way the mint one turned out. It just went on so smooth. It didn't give me any hard time. Now the pink one, you guys, the paint went on a little too thick and it had a lot of drip, and I just wasn't happy with the way this one turned out. I'm gonna leave it this way because it's already done, but if I had to choose, I would definitely choose the mint because it went on super easy and it just looks way cleaner. But then again, you have to keep in mind that I was spray painting a black one and a white one. So the white one, of course, was going to be way easier to cover than the black. But you guys, I love the way they turned out. And now I'm going to fill them up. So the spinners are now filled, completely full, and I am loving the way they look. I feel like they now match my room much better. I ended up loosening it up a little bit because it was super tight, so I did put the rest of the cards in my little box that I had gotten in Joann's, and it got filled to the brim, you guys. But these are all my cards, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.